Hello Mzansi, it's a gossip girl. Thobile Makhumalo Mseleku is the face of me ladies. People on the comment section corrected me by saying that it's not my ladies, it's me ladies. So Musamseleku was just, celebrating the milestones of Thobile and captioned this on his Instagram. When I see one of my family members being elevated through the hard work, I immediately give thanks to God and my ancestors. If our vision is anything to go by, this is the confirmation. Siyabonga Mzilikazi at Thobile and me ladies for this paid partnership. Now, it has whatever word down to my children, at Endle being one of them. Hashtag working family. You guys know that I don't know Zulu, so hashtag that whatever word. Pezukomkono. Pezukomkono. Yeah. So let me just read. I'm just going to zoom in and read this little article here on Milady's magazine. Thobile talks motherhood. The thing I want most for my daughter is success in her own right. Once you are successful as an individual, you are on your own right path to finding success in other places. So that's why I always remind her to make good choices. One thing my mother instilled in me is the importance of humility. We owe it to our daughters to be real. My biggest joy is my family. My daughter and I call each other Cho me. It sums up what our relationship is about. I am a mother figure, but I'm also her friend who she can trust. I've never tried to replace Mpilo's biological mother. I fight for them to have a healthy relationship. I say to my child, love yourself. I tell her she's beautiful every day. The beauty that media portrays is not real, especially the South African context. We need to embrace our unique beauty. That is why the conversations in a change room I am doing with Playtex and me ladies are so important to me. Sometimes if you want to read the whole article, just buy the me ladies book, or maybe you can find it there. And I know that if you have an account with them, they always post it every month, or you can go to Thobile's Instagram page. You'll just find the whole article, where they wrote about Thobile. So it is a nice read. That's why I just wanted to just take a part of that article and then share it with you. And I really loved where she was saying that I am not here to replace Mpilo's biological mother, because that is something that on the show we don't get to see or even them talk about it, because maybe it's a sensitive topic on its own. Anyway, congratulations to Thobile being the face of my ladies. Till I see you again in Sansi, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Bye bye.